In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Like that. Now, look for location shortcut, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it's turned grey. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. Now, if you can't find your shortcut, you need to add it. To do that, use pen icon over here. Then find location shortcut after scrolling down, hold it, drag it to the current shortcut menu, place it, and let go. After tapping at the top left corner over here, your changes will be automatically applied. If you wish, you can also just launch settings, scroll to tap on location section, and manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!